the WC tiling looking good so far. And coming out here, this is the new laundry. All inside those cupboards.
One thing is
Yeah.
when you close the door,
Yeah.
you see?
That one's scraping too, is it?
Yeah. And whether you put a rubber in the bottom.
Rubber seal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we are doing as good as we can and already.
Alright, I'll get the handyman to look at that. And that's the shower head up there. And that's the half wall, which will be in the floor tile both sides. Okay, that's where we're going to fit that. The cabinet with the mirror. Hopefully that will go there. Yeah, I think so. All going to plan so far. And